Hello guys, today I want to show you how to remove FRP on Go edition J11. We are using here Chinese Miracle 2 CM2 by Infinity Box Dongle. So the first thing, you'll come and open platform detector. The platform detector will detect that the phone is an SPD. That's why we are using this spectrum. Go to platform, select Safaricom. Go to model type, select neon light, and then identify. After identifying, the phone will start being identified. As you can see, the CPU. After identifying, everything is a success. As you can see here, it is identified and then say done. Then you go to service, click FRP, reset, and then you click FRP reset. As you can see here, operation, format, reset, setting, reset FRP. As you can see, it has started. Then the boot down will tell you done. FRP has been removed. This is a success. As you can see, Go edition J11 has been successfully FRP removed, has been reset. So the phone is back to normal. The FRP was not locked, it was unlocked. Thank you for watching. And remember to click subscribe button to be getting new videos that I post. Thank you.